Listening Test. Lesson Journey by Night. Sher Singh set Kanwar down and brought him water from the river in his hands. My brother, the delirious little boy whispered and drank. Sher Singh gathered grass and plaiting it into a rope, tied it round his brother and himself so they would keep together. Then he entered the water just above the bridge. The river seized them and flattened them against the wreck. Unable to move at first, he edged forward into the maelstrom, feeling for the split ends of bamboo.